Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from your account on Venmo on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. If you haven't logged out from your Venmo application on your account, then make sure you follow this video all the way until the end. If you have already logged in from within the app, then if you open up the app once again and then tap on the login button, you may find that your username or your email address and your password information might still be saved. So in order to avoid this while you sign out, just go ahead and open up your phone settings and then tap on apps. Now from the apps page, simply search for Venmo, and when you find the application, just tap on it. This will then take you into the Venmo application settings page. Now from this page, simply tap on Force Stop and then the OK button to stop the application. Then scroll down and tap on Storage. Now from the storage menu, simply tap on Clear Data and then tap on the Delete button, and all of your login information will be removed from the Venmo application and your information will not be remembered as well. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log out from your account on Venmo. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.